Let's do this. Give you guys a few minutes. You know the process. Got some noise in the background. I got my animals back there. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to throw out a quick disclaimer right now. This is never financial advice. This is just my journey, guys. I'm here because I want each and every one of you guys to win. So if you like what you're seeing, stick around with me. We're going to drop some news, okay? Give everybody a fair chance to get in here so we can start going over this news for you guys. Today we're doing a surprise giveaway at the end. You guys stick with me. Right now I want you guys to go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know that you're in the chat. Serenity, how are you? Thanks for showing up. Gustavo Grossi, hi, how are you? Welcome to the live, guys. Hello, 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 Serenity. We're going to dive into some news here in a minute. Streak broke. Thanks for showing up. All right, guys, we're going to dive into some news real fast. Gustavo, let's get this. Serenity, let's go. We're going to dive right into this. It's about silver and why Bitcoin is superior. So let's get into it. The claim that a whale deposited $5 million in USDC into a hyper-liquid opened a short in the silver remains unverified. So if you've heard any of the FUD around that a whale opened a short position on silver, it's just unverified at the moment. Not real. No execution, no direction, nor did he write a short or put in a short. Verification would require exchange level position data, and we haven't seen that. In bull runs, I'm a trader. I trade a lot during bull runs. I never trade bear markets. I stack that Bitcoin. That's why I'm here, stacking Bitcoin. I'm here for you guys. I give back to you guys. You show up for me. I give back to you. I'm going to throw out this small disclaimer again for you guys. This is never financial advice. This is my own journey. A robust workflow separates wallet flows from trading outcomes, guys. Review hyperliquid listings for any silver market. It's totally transparent out there. Thanks for subscribing, Gustavo. I appreciate you, man. We got something at the very end of this stream we're going to do. You guys stick around till the end. You guys will find out. You guys are supporting me. I'm going to support you. That's how I am. I give back to my community. Are you guys Bitcoiners at all? Gustavo, Serenity? Let me know in the comments. What drives you guys? What pushes you guys to succeed? I do giveaways all the time, guys. Like I said, I want each and every one of you guys to win. Yeah, let us know what you guys think. Otherwise, I'm going to continue over this news, guys. Gustavo, what's going on? Where are you from, Gustavo? Let me know in the comments where you're from. I'm here in Utah doing this live stream for you guys. So the goal behind my channel is to educate people about Bitcoin cryptocurrency, why you should never give up on yourself and always stay motivated. No excuses. If you're looking for a job, there's always something out there. If you have a vehicle, you can Uber, DoorDash. It's a grind. You can make that money. I do it just to buy Bitcoin. That's it. Serenity, you still in the chat? Where are you from? At the end of this video, I'm going to take the top comments in this video and I'm going to put them in a randomizer, and the person tagged with that comment is going to win 50,000 sats. If you're now just showing up here, I'm doing a 50,000 sat giveaway. Top comments get propped up. Dive into some more news here. Bitcoin's network mining difficulty sees largest percentage increase since 2021, even as crypto market weakens and persists. Bitcoin mining difficulty, a measure of how hard it is for miners to find a new block on the leading blockchain, has risen 14%. That's epic for us. This represents the largest absolute increase since 2020, when the China mining prohibition caused major disruption, following a 22% rise as the network recovered. It's beautiful. Bitcoin mining just got a lot harder. So if you're starting to Bitcoin mine, it's gotten a lot harder for most, with the largest ever increase in absolute difficulty, completely erasing last epoc's huge downwards adjustment. The more miners that come online, the better off we are. The adjustment occurred at block height 937,440, according to Bitcoin Network Explorer mempool. If you're familiar with the mempool, then you can watch Bitcoin transactions go through. Data from Clark Moody's dashboard shows that blocks were mined at an average of 8 minutes and 47 seconds during the most recent epoch, well below the 10-minute target, triggering the upward difficulty adjustment over the same period. The network's hash rate climbed from roughly 884 EHS to 1,000. That's a lot. What do you guys think about that? Anybody in the chat mining out there? Tell me your stories. Leave a comment. Let me know your story. Are you mining? Have you noticed the computational power? What it's affecting your miners? Are you producing more power? Yeah, I would love to know what you guys got going on. If you're mining, Serenity's number one so far. Check her channel. I don't know who the hell that is. No, I'm just checking. Looks like a child.
I'll let some know that we're live.
Yeah, DeAndre's out to dinner. Oh, I let him know. We're going to continue with this live just for a few minutes longer, guys. Once again, if you make it to the end, we're going to shoot out those comments that were left. What's that?
Where is everybody?
Well, that's what I'm saying. Gustavo, you still in the chat? Let me know you're still here, man. Let's get you taken care of. Appreciate all you guys' support for showing up. We'll do a live once a week. Keep this going. We only do it for a little while. Do a random giveaway. What do you guys think about mining hash power? Do you feel like it's been difficult? Are you guys mining? Are you guys stacking sats? What's your biggest stack you've stacked this week? You guys want to see some charts? Is that what you guys need? Live trading? Ever since the FUD this morning with all that tariff crap with Trump, it's non-existent now. Bitcoin's recovered fully to 67,925 according to Femex's price chart. This is on the 4-hour chart. Tomorrow we'll know definitely for sure whether it becomes bullish. This right here is a scalper's paradise.
Somebody's still on.
We'll give it a few more minutes, guys. It's Friday night. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys are doing tonight. Tonight, we're giving back to the community. In March, I'm giving away a Bitcoin conference ticket. I want you guys to stick around. If you're interested, all you have to do is leave a comment. I'm going to take the best comments. I'm going to put them in a randomizer. I'm going to pin it to that person. So in March, I'm going to pick that name and you will win a Bitcoin conference ticket. I will substitute it out because a lot of people cannot make it. The Bitcoin conference ticket is valid for the 27th of April through the 29th. So it'd be that Monday through Wednesday. So you guys stick around. We're trying to build this community. And with your support, I appreciate each and everything. I'm giving back to you guys. Like I said, this is never financial advice. This is just my journey. This is what I do with my crew. Hi, Trisha. Welcome to the chat. Drop those screenshots so we can do this giveaway, guys. Heck yeah, streak broke. Stack those. 14,000 is pretty good. Beautiful comment. Bitcoin is the only real money. Hello, Trisha. How are you tonight? Hope you're staying safe out there. If you're in that chat, smash that like button. Let me know you're here. Would you guys want to go over anything? We're only going to be here for a few minutes. Streak broke. You're winning this. Jumanji Brown, getting it. That's good, Trisha. Nope, you cannot print dollars. You can't, I mean, you can print dollars, but you cannot print Bitcoin. 21 million ever. That's it. But for those that say stay broke forever by holding Bitcoin, those are the ones that we'll find out later on. Get back into some news here. Yeah. For about, let's see, another 5 minutes. Okay, guys, we'll be on this for another 5 minutes. Then we're going to cut it off. And here's one people love. For whatever reason, they love to see Bitcoin fail and go down. Here's the best. Bitcoin to crash to 20 if it fails to hold on to a 50K support. This is according to the gold bug Peter Schiff. Prominent Bitcoin critic Peter Schiff has once again predicted a major Bitcoin collapse in the near future. The chairman of Shift Gold tweeted yesterday that the premier digital currency is likely to collapse to 20,000. I remember those days, beautiful days, good time to buy. If it cannot hold on to its long-term 50K support. We hit 59, major support at 59. Now, if it blows past that, there's another support just below it at 54. So if you've been into multiple bull runs, those supports are active throughout and throughout history. They always repeat. You could go into a trading chart and look at support and resistance, and that is the major support. And you could draw your lines and find these numbers. I'm not just pulling it out of my butt because I've traded each and every one of these levels these guys have talked about. The move marks another barrage of tweets from Shift. Always FUD coming from this guy, encouraging users to sell their crypto assets and to get into gold. Gold's a pump and dump. Bitcoin is trading around 68 at press time after a failed breakout above 70K. We'll find out tomorrow. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is in deep bearish territory, which we love. Best time to stack sats. That's why I stack daily. DCA like a boss and never fail and always grind. The largest cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, guys. Peter Schiff is betting that the bears are highly likely to take a shot at the 50K level. I never short, but if I see it blow past, guess what? I'm shorting down to that level and stacking more Bitcoin in the near future and emerge successful. Once the 50K long-term support is breached, which is already below the 55K, there it is. I mentioned it, guys. The price can come under renewed pressure, and here Schiff argues it will keep falling until it finds support around the 20K figure. Schiff, in his usual zero-sum rhetoric, took another shot at Bitcoin as he tweeted. And verbatim, this is what Schiff says. I wish I were smart enough to have realized how many people would be dumb enough to buy Bitcoin when I first learned about it, because so many were dumb enough. The price rose so high that others were also too smart, felt dumb, and bought it too. The greed and FOMO kicked in. Wild part is, his son owns Bitcoin. Yeah, Peter Schiff is a legend for gold. That is true, and a legend for FUD. So there you have it. More FUD out of these guys. And it's like that every bear market. Pepperoni sounds good, Trisha. I'll just remind you guys, okay? Peter Schiff has been doing this since 2013, okay? When Bitcoin was a fraction of the current valuation and hasn't slowed down even after it posted its 20,000% gains over years. Name an asset out there that's went up 20,000% besides some random shitcoin. None. We got another few minutes, legends. We're going to do a giveaway. So if you're still in the chat, let me see those comments. That way I can get this going for you guys. It's always easy. Always easy. Keep it coming. You want some more shift news? Because we'll give you some more shift news, guys.
Keep it real.
Yeah. That was probably one of the funniest ones I've read. Okay, people love the bull run noise, so let's get into bull run noise, guys. Here we go. Bitcoin's next bull run starts when this indicator turns red, guys, and I'm going to let you know. Current analysis suggests that Bitcoin's next confirmed bull run will begin only after a key on-chain indicator flips into deep negative territory, signaling maximum market stress among long-term holders. Now, if you're a long-term holder, there's no stress. The metric in focus is the net unrealized profit and loss for long-term holders, which makes sense because most long-term, we're not selling. We'd rather get a loan on it and keep it. Good job, Trisha. 20,000. That's good. Alfractal's CEO and analyst, Wow Wedson, believes that decisive signal will emerge when this figure turns negative, at which point even the most convinced investors will be holding unrealized losses. We all hold unrealized losses, all of us. If you haven't sold any crypto, you're holding an unrealized loss. It looks good on paper, but as a Bitcoiner, and this is never financial advice, again, guys, just my journey, I'll never sell. So yeah, there's a lot of unrealized profit there. This phase typically indicates maximum depression, seller exhaustion, and coin transfer into stronger hands. For instance, the transition precedes the start of a new bull run in prior cycles, reinforcing the view that durable opportunities form during capitulation rather than euphoria. I don't know if you've been through a euphoric stage in Bitcoin or even cryptocurrency in 2017 bull run, 2021 bull run. It's just wild. Okay. And even in the earlier days, yeah, they go nuts. Bitcoin goes up, it moves. You know, I've watched it go from $12 up fast, and it goes real fast. However, on-chain signals from CryptoQuant suggest structural weakness is building. The platform notes that Bitcoin's adjusted SOPR has fallen into the 0.92 to 0.94 range levels that in 2019, if you're around then, and in 2023 coincide with deep corrective phases during which traders were consistently in the red. One indicate loss realization and multiple historical cycle lows formed near 0.92 and 0.93. Unlike mid-cycle pullbacks that quickly reclaimed, the current structure reveals sustained weakness. The probability increases that market is shifting into a broader bear phase rather than experience a routine correction. Bring it on. Bitcoin is currently trading at 67,783, up 0.91 over the past 24 hours. So in essence, what that's saying is you have lots of time, we're still early, and stack along. Okay, we got 2 more minutes, guys, and we're going to wrap this up. I thank you for all your guys' support, legends for showing up, all you guys, Trisha, all the rest of them, Gustavo, Streak Broke for showing up in the chat, going over stuff. Serenity, you showed up, said hi. I appreciate that. We're going to shoot you out. And Jumanji Brown, get it. One last question. What's your favorite sandwich filling? Let me know in the comments before we close this out. Mine's peanut butter, without a doubt. Under Scooby-Doo baby sauce. Nice. Get that Scooby-Doo baby sauce. Sub sauce. Oh, that's awesome. All right, guys, I'm going to give away some sats right now, real fast. If you're just getting in or tuned in, let's give away some sats. Gustavo, you in there? All right, real quick, we're giving away $10 in sats right now. Here we go. 10 and 10. Here we go. Leave a comment. I'm going to take the best comment and send it to a lightning address. You must have a lightning address. Give you guys a couple of seconds to put that in there. Then I'll pick the best one and we'll just go ahead and do a random send. Someone's getting Satoshis just for showing up and saying hi. A random comment. Oh, shoot. All right, legends. Let's see what we got to do here. Do we miss any chats that we need to go over?
No, we got those. And I clicked on it with everybody that's here now.
Okay.
That were there earlier, they were the only ones
All right.
this time.
All right, that works. All right, guys, we're going to wrap this up. Doing a short tomorrow, so that random pick will be in tomorrow's short. You'll see it live on tomorrow's short. But until then, you guys stay safe, keep pounding, and always stay positive. Never give up, guys. Peace.